Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. This week we are doing 2 back patio extensions and a pad out a back door behind a garage. Stick around for the excavation, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Thanks for leaving us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you then, guys. Hey guys, everything went well. We excavated out. That window well was a pain in the butt. The bendy boards that I normally use were not cutting it, so I had to kind of use straight boards and then shave them down to get it as close as possible to the metal. It won't be perfect, but it'll be good enough. We got a rebar in, everything's good to go. Radius is in, everything's prepped. This one is good to go. We're gonna leave our power buggy here, should do just fine. I wish we could use a pump for this, but we poured too low of a slump with 3/4 rock that it's not economical to use a pump that big. And then we got this one ready. Because of the AC that's there, we have to kind of work it out and then meet those stones over there, so it's kind of wonky. We're making sure it's sloping this way, so we're gonna have to meet some things, but we'll see you at the pour in 2 days, guys. See you then. Bye bye. Well, we're gonna do half ones to start off with, so I don't want to break any stones. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So everything went well, pour went well. I mean, it was slightly difficult. We had to really get around here and to get in to that side and this side. So since I had to clean in the window well, the window and everything, I decided to pop the form off and just kind of finish it a little bit. I don't normally do that, but I did it this time. Slope is good here. I went through and I fixed any flagstone that were cracked using the leftovers that were originally here. I mean, it all went well. Customers were very happy. We got plenty of slope here. I'm not happy about the AC that's there. So it's sloping this way, and this way. But this thing's in the way, so there's gonna be a little bit of water back there maybe. It shouldn't be too bad though. But everything went well. Customers were happy. We fixed everything up. Job came out well. Next week, gotta pick up my stuff. Next week we are doing a pretty decent project. It's gonna be a garage and a driveway, half of a driveway. So you guys might not see a video next week, but we will be very busy knocking that out. Weather is good. Glad don't have to worry about blankets anymore. But thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you next week, guys. Bye bye.